tonight is a big one. We are going for my first ever meet, like a proper night meet in Japan. Now, I don't know what's going to be there. We're going to Tatsumi. We're starting off the night there. Going there with @PizzaTurismo on Instagram. His name is Jonathan. Really nice guy who I've kind of been messaging out of the blue for little bits of advice in Japan. He has an amazing car spotting page here in Tokyo, so go and follow him on Instagram. And he is very kindly taking me out tonight in a very cool car, which I will show you in just a second. So let's go Tatsumi tonight, night meets here in Tokyo. I can see it. I can see the Honda Beat. How's it going? That truck's big.
Every car is big.
It's probably not actually that big of a truck, it's just the size of this thing. That's so cool. That just reminds me of Top Gear with Clarkson, the GTR with the...
Oh yeah, couldn't figure it out.
Is that just gauges for the...
For the music.
For the music?
It is called the Honda Beat.
Oh yeah, true.
Like, you know, kind of like a music theme going.
Oh, I see.
They also have, you know, the Honda Jazz.
So wait, is that stock?
Yeah.
Oh, right, okay, that's so cool.
Yeah, that's from the factory.
And it revs to, what, 8,500?
Yes.
Wow.
I mean, it'll go higher, but Redline is at 85.
But you probably don't want to
No.
do that. Is this Tatsumi?
It is.
Oh. Coolest car in the world. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? No. They're shutting it down. That was the craziest thing I've ever seen. Lamborghini Aventador SV jumping and a GTR jumping. Hopefully we don't see an Aventador just like middle of the road, hazards on. That was crazy. It was the way the we also got the R35, which had actual sparks. He was sending it. I think he might have been going faster.
Yeah, for sure.
I just don't know though, like, did the Aventador guy, he mustn't have seen that. No one would just do that.
No.
But like he mustn't have seen it because there was a GTR. Like how did you not hear that?
Like all of these guys, they're here, you know, every few weeks.
Yeah, true. It must. I guess it's brand new, isn't it?
Yeah, that's just what they always do leaving. Like they don't think they're just going to be a random speed bump.
Yeah.
A huge speed bump on the expressway.
Gigantic. Yeah.
Like that's not a thing to do. Like
true. Yeah, it's just before the motorway.
Yeah. No, I've never heard of a speed bump on the expressway. Not, you know, entering, not leaving a parking.
Yeah.
Like they just put it up, no notice, no signs or anything.
That was one of the craziest things I've ever filmed. I thought I would just make this section at the end just to answer a few questions that I'm sure some of you may have. The first one is, I'm sure a lot of you will probably be asking, why didn't I kind of flag down some of the cars that were going really fast towards the speed ramp? We actually did flag them down and told them to slow down, but we're pretty sure that they actually thought we were telling them to speed up because these people weren't expecting it. They were expecting people to be egging them on to go fast onto this motorway because it's an on-ramp to a motorway. Why would you put a speed ramp right there? I personally think it was a really silly place to put the speed ramp. We did actually see the Aventador SV afterwards. We kind of expected the car would be like really badly damaged and stuff. I think it did have some little scratches, but it was not anywhere nearly as bad as you would expect. I think it was just like one little plastic bit of trim had fallen off, which yeah, testament to Lamborghini for that. Bit of a crazy video. Japan, you need to fix your highway on-ramp at Tatsumi. No idea why you've done that. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.